Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, vertical asymptote. What is the equation of the vertical asymptote of the rational function f of x is equal to the quantity x minus 3 all over x times the quantity x minus 1 minus 6. So, paano natin kaya kukunin ito? Now, unang-una, ano ba ang vertical asymptote? So, this is not just any line, but it's a vertical line. An imaginary vertical line where the graph of the function is getting closer and closer, but never touching that line. Okay?
Okay.
Paano natin malalaman kung anong vertical asymptote of a function? So, kailan ba siya hindi tumatama dun sa line na yun? That is when your denominator will be equal to 0. I'll show you in a while. No? Let's try to analyze this function first. Try to simplify the denominator first. It will become x squared minus x minus 6. Now, how do you factor that? It will be equal to
Minus 3.
times
X plus 2.
x plus 2. Notice, may x minus 3 sa taas at may x minus 3 sa baba. Pwede ba natin cancel yan?
Not
Okay?
sure.
But look, ano masabi natin po sa domain given this? Masabi natin sa domain before that the denominator cannot be equal to 0.
Zero.
Kasi magiging undefined
Undefined.
siya. X minus 3, kailan siya nagiging 0? That's when x is equal to 3. X plus 2, kailan siya nagiging 0? When x equals to negative 2. That means the domain natin is that x will be any real number such that x is not equal to 3 or negative 2. If x will never be equal to 3, then what can you say about the value of x minus 3? Magiging 0 siya if it's exactly 3. Pero pag 2.9999999 or pag 3.000000001, magiging 0 ba yan?
No.
Hindi. Close to 0. Kung bawal si 3 dito, that means your x minus 3, technically speaking, is not 0 anymore. And if this is not 0, this is not 0, can we cancel 2 non-zero? We can technically cancel the x minus 3. That's why we have to rewrite it 1 over x plus 2, right? As long as x is not equal to 3, negative 2. So that is the concept that you need to understand. This denominator will give us the hint on the vertical asymptote. So, graphically speaking, yung negative 2 natin is a vertical asymptote. So, this is the imaginary vertical line. Okay? And then, if you know the concept of horizontal asymptote, it will actually end up with 0 or the x-axis as the horizontal asymptote. Doon sa point ng 3, pag naging 3 siya, 1 over 3 plus 2, 1/5. See, there's somewhere here. This will not exist. So, this is actually a hollow circle. So, supposed to be, dadaan siya dyan, pero since x will never be equal to 3, so this point will never happen. Therefore, you can actually use this vertical line and this horizontal line as guide. Lalapit ka na lalapit, pero hanggang dyan ka lang, hindi ka didikit. Itong sa kapila, ganun din. So, ito yung graph mo dito, at yung sa other side naman, pag ganito naman yung graph niyan. So, in this case, this vertical line, which is the line x equal to negative 2, is your vertical asymptote. So, the answer here is just your letter B. Sana naintindihan nyo.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UFCAT.